What's up, everybody? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com, and today we're doing a little video on the 200 EFI Zinger. Now, this one here, yes, that's right, it's fuel injected. So it's got a nice, big, large 14-inch rim and tire there, followed by your nice, wonderful disc brake as well with reflectors on it. You've got super bright LED lights in the front, and this one, of course, is in the nice red color here. We also have the blue, the white, red, and black. So 4 different colors you can get this bad boy in, and we can ship it nationwide right to your front door. This is a 2-seater. You do have your nice pegs on the side as well for your passenger in the back. And then, of course, you can sit your little fanny right here and go ahead and drive around. Now, this one's going to cruise up to 65, and you may even reach that 70 mile per hour mark there. Like I said, fuel injected, 4-stroke gas powered engine. You've got a drum brake in the back, disc in the front. Like I said, you got your nice reflectors there on the side. This one is fully street legal. It does have the FMVSS label there. You've got your VIN number, comes with an MSO/title, and best of all, I forgot to say, look at this.
Bluetooth mode.
It's got speakers right there and your Bluetooth, so you can turn it on and off. You've got, all kinds of jams you can go ahead and listen to. Now, this one, the difference between the Zinger here and the competition is this one's going to come fully assembled, okay? So there's a difference. It costs a tiny bit more money, but again, the quality is amazing. It's got the LED lights, and it does come fully assembled. And again, the competition does not have the Bluetooth speaker on it like the Zinger here. So you call us up, 866-606-3991. You grab one today, and we'll ship it nationwide right to your front door from SaferWholesale.com.